Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look for back to school. I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. I'm actually going into my junior year, which is pretty crazy, but I don't go back to school for like a month, but like I know people are going back to school soon. So I thought I would just film this because why not? School starts soon. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. And let's get on to the video. I'm just taking my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. This is the shade Medium Tan. I'm just taking my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. There we go. And I'm just going to put a little on my finger. And then I'm just going to do this. And I don't have a mirror, so we're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna put some up here because I know I have pimples up there, and some down here because I know I have pimples down there. And then I'm just gonna be taking my beauty blender sponge. This is not actually beauty blender, because I'm taking this and blending this all out. You know the deal. My Airspun powder in a beauty blender, and then just bake under my eyes because my concealer tends to crease, so this helps it not crease and it helps it last long all day. Next for eyebrows, I'm just taking a spoolie and brushing them up and out, just up, and just to kind of like get them where I want them to be. I'm just taking my Ka-Brow, this is in the shade 4, and then my angled brush. Most of the time will definitely use this. I also have another just brow gel that I'll use if I'm not feeling the makeup, you know. So I'm just taking my angled brush and I'm just dipping it in, getting a little product. And then I'm gonna just outline my brows. One brow. I'm pretty proud. Usually this one doesn't come out good. So that is how I do my brows. I think I look decent. I mean, I really like how I do my brows, so that's them. If you want a close up. Back in with my spoolie and make sure it's all like blended and it doesn't look too harsh of a difference. So that's what I usually do. And then I'll just take a fluffy brush and just wipe off like this bake. Next, I'm going to do my eyelashes. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. You know, this is just a little Tarte lash curler. And then I'm going to be using the mascara. I use this all the time. It's just Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is in the shade Blackest Black. I mean, I don't really care about the shade. But I'm just going to put that on my lashes. You know how we do it. Be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Hello, can you see? This stuff is really good. It smells really good. My container broke, so that's really good and fresh. No, but this stuff is actually good. I've been using Hoola Bronzer for the longest time, and then I just wanted to try this, and I actually like it, so. Tarte little blush. I got this in like a little Sephora birthday package, and I've just been using it since, so. Add some to my nose, just like to give it a little sun-kissed look. And then I'm just going to be using my Mario Badescu water spray because it gets really hot in my school because we don't have air conditioners, which is really good and fresh. So I just like to use this to kind of set my face and prepare me for the day. I definitely use more than I need to, but it feels really good and fresh. And then lastly, I'm just going to be using a little lip gloss. This one is from Essence. I don't know. I just bought the first one I saw because like I want lip gloss, like it doesn't matter. Like a glossy look. I don't know why, but I do. So I think that's gonna be it. This is my final makeup look. Yeah, you guys, if you like this, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, then just subscribe. I have a few more videos planned for sometime soon. I don't know when they're gonna get done, but I'm gonna try to post more. So that's it. Peace.